While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH. With decentralized finance, DeFi turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain world. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. As per our Ethereum Forecast 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around $1,607 and $3,904 separately. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our Ethereum figure proposes that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of $6,564, with a base cost of $4,559. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. According to our and so on cost expectation, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of $20,643, with a base cost of $14,340 in 2030. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum blockchain is a high-level venture. It is generally famous among digital money devotees, for the most part, because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital currency. The whole peculiarity and the principal center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers engineers to plan and work on shrewd agreements, consequently executing tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called Serenity, ETH 2.0, is the augmentation of the Ethereum system, with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a slow and reliable stage-wise revealing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding procedure to decrease the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the existing blend, will expand its asset use execution amazingly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, i.e., Ethereum Virtual Machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation are presently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. ETH digital money confronted enormous negative tension in the midst of a general market auction. AND 1.79. The cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 and, in continuation, due to the crypto market slump of May 2022. The cost of Ethereum fell further 0.1.79 since arriving at the ETH in November 2021. ETH digital money has checked monstrous unpredictability in its cost activity. In 2023, the symbolic even crossed the $2,000 mark after a huge delay. Throughout the past week, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,120 and $1,700. Presently, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,813. How high will Ethereum go? One of the fundamental motivations behind why Ethereum was going down was the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were ceaselessly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, in this way searching for preferable choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. Nonetheless, when Bitcoin at last crossed the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. In light of the latest thing, Ethereum will ascend to a worth of $20,643 by 2030. Wallet financial backers Ethereum cost expectations propose that the ETH token might go down to $354.602 by long-term end, while computerized coin cost shows that the symbolic will be at a limit of $6,567.52 in 2025, according to their ETH cost forecasts. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost vacillations, Ethereum digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In examination, the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904, according to our ETH cost forecast. Ethereum Expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum Value Forecast and specialized examination, it tends to be guessed that the most extreme worth of ETH might be around $5,097. Simultaneously, The previous presentation additionally proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $3,541 and $4,319. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. According to our ETH Expectation 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $4,559, $5,561, and $6,564 in the crypto market. As per our Ethereum Forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and mixes sooner rather than later of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum figure uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $5,915 to $8,515, where the previous is the least conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $7,215. ETH Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum cost forecast, the coin might have a likely high and possible low of $11,142 and $7,740, separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $9,441. ETH Expectation 2028. As per our Ethereum forecasts, for the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $9,213 and $13,263 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $11,238 in view of our Ethereum crypto cost forecast. Ethereum cost conjecture 2029. Continuously 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum coin cost forecast, the coin's cost might reach as high as $16,713 in the year 2029, while it might exchange around a low of $11,610. The typical worth is supposed to be around $14,162. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. Our ETH cost forecasts 2030 demonstrated the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $14,340 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $20,643 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks extremely encouraging, with a typical worth of $17,492 in the year 2030, in view of our examination. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto Epicureans. We infer that the Ethereum projected development will without a doubt arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost expectation, assuming you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might acquire great returns. Nonetheless, this doesn't comprise venture guidance in any structure. Complete your own examination to diminish the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. Notwithstanding, do your own